Hey friends, if you wish to fix Clipchamp not working on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to update Windows. Right click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side. Click on Check for Updates in the right pane. The next solution is to restart your computer. So right click on the Start button, select Shutdown or Sign Out and then select Restart. The next solution is to repair the Clipchamp app and reset it. So search for Clipchamp in the Windows search bar and click on the downward pointing arrow in the right pane. Select app settings and then you can scroll down and select terminate. Now click on repair to repair the app and then click on reset and reset once again to reset Clipchamp to its default settings. If this doesn't help, then just uninstall the app. Okay. Once it is uninstalled, search for Store in the Windows search bar. Open the Microsoft Store. Now search for Clipchamp here and then open Clipchamp and then click on Install. This will reinstall the application on your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.